Hi dear engineers, today I will show how to find plot area by AutoCAD. First of all, you click polyline, then click your plan corner side and other corner side and click here, then click here. If you continue, click your polyline. If you click line, your square feet does not show. Done my polyline click and you move your polyline. This is your total building area, and now I find this area how much square feet. You click LI enter, then click your polyline and click enter. Your building square feet 1971 square feet, 1971 square feet. If you watching this video, please follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.